Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make food in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we will need is earth and water to create plant, and then the next thing is we need fire right here, and then after that we would need to go for water right here to create steam, and then the next one is we would need fire right here, so we'll create an engine right here, and then the next thing is we're gonna go for earth right here, and we're gonna go put it into engine to create a tractor, and then the next thing is we are gonna go put earth right here into our tractor to create a farm, and then just like that. And then the next thing that we're gonna do is we're just gonna add these two right here, and then boom, we would have food right here. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.